Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook history. First thing, you want to launch the Facebook app, then you want to click on the top right corner where you see the gear icon. When you add the settings and privacy, let's make it things easier and faster. Click on the top right corner where you see the magnifying glass, okay? Then I want you to type search history, okay? Bam, we already have the search history appearing over here. Then we're gonna be actually forward to a particular menu where you can select to clear your search history. The good part is that you can actually from here delete not only your Facebook history, but you can delete all your search history on different Instagram pages that you link to this account. Usually you will have here, as you can see, your accounts and profiles. You can go individually and delete all the search queries on each account individually. When you click clear all searches, you will have the option to choose the time frame that you can clear: last hour, yesterday, some more recent, or you can actually select the all time. This is very important because you can't undo this, right? When you do that, this will simply happen. In comparison with what will happen if you try to delete your search history on Instagram, you have a different time frame. You have an automatic deletion after 30 days, 14 days, 7 days. Here, you don't have something like this. You have much larger time frames. It either gonna be extremely short here, last hour, yesterday, or all time. There isn't such thing as couple of months or couple of weeks. This is why you wanna make sure that you realize what is the difference. Again, if you want to make it much more customized, more manual, you gotta go through individual posts, like we talk about it with Instagram. So this is how you actually set as a default automatic deletion on your search queries on Facebook. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.